Hey, what's up everyone, it's Ben from Archetype Origins. Welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to build another Itachi themed custom gaming PC for one of our customers. So a couple weeks ago, one of our clients reached out to us and asked about the Itachi themed custom look gaming PC, which by the way, if you haven't checked out that video already, be sure to check them out. I also link it down in the description below, so go watch them, please. Basically, he wanted a budget version of what we built for Spencer's. So we worked with him, figured what kind of budget he has, and also sent him a couple mock-ups. Basically, what he wanted was something that's as close to a Spencer's PC as possible, but stay within his budget. So in this video, we're gonna build that Itachi themed PC for him. Specs wise, we have Ryzen 5 5500 pairing with an RTX 3050 and a 600 watt power supply, 1 terabyte of M.2 and an air-cooled ID cooling IS40X and 4 RGB fans. We're gonna set it to red so it looks like the Itachi theme. And then we also have A520 motherboard, perfect entry-level motherboard here. And then also some red cables from Asia Horse. All right, let's get building. pre-built custom PC according to your budget, performance needs, and aesthetic preferences. So if you want a custom PC just like the Itachi theme version, or you want something that's customized to your specific theme, be sure to go to our website and then send an inquiry to us, and we will work one-on-one with you to get your dream PC build. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you guys enjoy content like this, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.